Hey there folks, today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the keyless chuck on any cordless Dewalt drill. Now this one is a little worse for wear, but we're just using it as an example to show you how to do the service. So if you happen to break your chuck, don't worry, it's easy to fix. Just open the chuck all the way until you can see this screw all the way down in there, and that's a Torx T15. So we need to get that out. If you're not familiar with Torx bits, that is what they look like right there. So this is a reverse thread, so you're going to go clockwise like you're tightening it. So you reach the screwdriver down in, grip on the drill, and this may be very difficult to do. Alright, so you might want to put it into a vise just to assist you a little bit. So you can use two hands, and be careful that you don't strip this because it'll be impossible to get out if you do. So I'm just going to use a hammer while I'm twisting the screwdriver. Alright, so thanks to Dewalt putting a T15 in here, that's a very small bit. We rounded out both our bit and the screwdriver head, so we're going to have to go ahead use our other drill to drill it out. This is a 1/4 inch bit. We're just going to do enough drilling to take off the head of the screw, and then we'll have to get the chuck off and extract the screw the rest of the way. Alright, so if we look inside, the head has now come off. So that is what's left of it. Next, we want to take some parts cleaner or some WD-40, just something to clean out the chuck there, because you want to be able to get the chuck closed, and with metal shavings it'll be a bit difficult. And we just work it back and forth, and you'll see it gets stuck part way. Just go back and forth and kind of twist it real quick. Alright, now as with most cordless drills, the instructions state to take the Allen key here and place it into the chuck and have it on the left hand side. We're going to go counterclockwise and smack it as hard as we can with a rubber mallet over the edge here, so it'll knock this free. And just hold really tight. Alright, so as you can see, hammering the living daylights out of it doesn't seem to work. So we're just going to open up the chuck all the way, and we're going to try twisting it in the vise here and give it all our force. Alright, and since we're replacing the chuck, we're going to go as tight as we can. Doesn't matter if it's going to crack. Alright, now it looks like it is free. And you can see there's the rest of the set screw. So we're just going to try to get that out. Alright, so just to ensure there's no more further trouble for getting the rest of the screw out, we're going to use our trusty torch, heat it up, and then use a pair of vice grips to extract it. Just make sure that you don't hit the drill, obviously, because it is plastic. Alright, so after you're done torching it, the thread locker that is in from the factory is going to be all burnt out, so it'll be fairly easy to break free. So just remember, it is hot and it is reverse thread, so go clockwise like you're tightening it. Alright, so once that's done, you just got to clean this up with a wire brush, and you can buy these set screws on Amazon or from local hardware stores. They're mostly the same thread pitch, and then we'll put the new chuck in and everything will be all good. Alright, so I'm just going to be showing you with the old chuck because this is just a scrap drill and it's going to be going in the garbage, but I want to show you how to do it. But you would obviously take your new chuck and you would thread it on. The chuck is clockwise for tightening and just has to be hand tight. Alright, now we grab our new set screw and put it in. Just a note with these set screws, try to find one with a Torx T20 bit. This one is actually for a Porter cable that I have as well, and I've taken the chuck off many times for demonstration videos and never had an issue. Try to avoid Phillips head screws or flathead screws because they do strip quite easily. So we're going to pop that in, and remember, reverse thread, So counterclockwise like you're loosening to get it tightened down. Alright, and that's all there is to it. Once you have your new chuck on, you're good to start using it again. Hopefully you found this helpful. As always, please don't forget to like and subscribe.